If you want to open Mindspace on OPPO Reno 15, you have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. What you can do is you can, for example, use this search button at the bottom of the home screen, and this allows you to open the global search or the shelf app, and then in here you can type Mindspace in order to try to find the app, and of course you should be able to open it quite easily. What you can also do is you can go to settings, scroll down in settings to search for OPPO AI, and then in here we can tap on Mindspace, and then you can open it quite easily from here. And besides that, another way to open the Mindspace is to go to settings again. Let me reopen that. There we go. But instead of going to OPPO AI, you can also open apps, go to app management, and then in here you can search for Mindspace just like that, and then you can use the open option. Now, if you go to the Mindspace, you can find the option to add it to the home screen. For example, here in the upper right corner, we can go to settings after tapping on these three dots. And in here, we can add the home screen shortcut if it's not added yet. So then you just have the easier access to the Mindspace because you can open it from the home screen. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.